older brother will always help you out, make you laugh, and support you. Or not? Find out what kind of relationships there are between younger and elder siblings in our new video. Johnny stashes away money in a piggy bank. Just a little bit more and I'll be able to afford my dream hoverboard. But Bruce found out about his little brother's stash a long time ago. How much is in this secret cup? Not bad. It'll be just enough for McDonald's. Keep up the good work, baby bro. This SpongeBob episode is so interesting. But my brother fell asleep. He's missing everything. I'll arrange a surprise for him. Johnny's head makes a great SpongeBob house. My little brother is so magical. Selfie! Wake up, SpongeBob! You missed the show! The brothers have different hobbies. Johnny is a future genius architect. He loves building high Jenga towers. I did it! It's perfect! And Bruce is a fan of video games. Come on, hit him! Shoot! Hey, table, whose side are you on? Stop shaking! I think I have an idea. My precious wood! Johnny, look, a picture came off. Where? Oh no, my tower! At least the table doesn't shake anymore. Nice! You can tell right away that these brothers are interested in different things. Johnny is getting ready for an exam, and Bruce is preparing his rock star career, and he is in good company. Dear guests, could you please sing a bit quieter? And in another room? No big deal, baby bro. It's weird that Bruce agreed to that so fast, but not for long. While Johnny was sleeping, the rock stars carried his bed outside. Chillax outdoors, little guy. Now Bruce's band is having a gig inside. And it looks like Johnny made a homeless friend. Peace, bro. Do you want me to share some food with you? Bro, can you spot me? Sure, no problem. Hey, Johnny, you are working out like a girl. Let's add more weight. Your muscles will grow 2 times faster. Fine, Bruce, just don't leave. Hey, handsome, can you help me out? Me? Sure. Meet my biceps. Help! Please! Anybody! Did Mom ask you to clean again? Bruce, dust everything! Thank goodness I have a little slave. Oh, I mean, a little brother. Here's a task for you, buddy. Get to work. The most important thing in the family is to divide the work right away. Bruce, don't forget to take the trash out. Hey, little bro, did you hear what Mom said? Don't forget to take the trash out. Again? Bruce, why are you sitting there? Who's going to sweep the floors? What do you mean, who? Of course, it's my little brother. Hey, Johnny, less talking, more doing. Stop reading. Go sweep the floors. At the end of the day, being a big brother is way easier. Did you break Mom's favorite vase? Whoops! This smells like disaster. Mom won't let me get away with it. Although, I know a way to cover up my crime. Bro, look what I found. This is a real artifact. Wow. A piece of an ancient amphora. It still smells like ancient Greece. Keep it. What happened to my vase? Boys? Johnny, how could you do this? I didn't think you were capable of something like that. Are your hands on backwards? You aren't getting your allowance this month. Aw, bro, you don't understand the finer things in life. How can you eat healthy oatmeal when chips and soda exist? Loser! Oh, Mom is coming. Johnny, hand me the ketchup. The elder brother swaps their food while the younger brother turned away. What? Johnny, what is this? You were having chips and soda for breakfast? Do you want to destroy your teeth and your arteries? Just look at your brother. He's eating healthy oatmeal for breakfast, unlike you. Good boy. Bruce, you are so sneaky. Hey bro, check out my awesome new tattoo. This is the sign of the dangerous Senegalese spider gang. Wow, bro, you are so cool. I also want a manly tattoo, right now. Johnny wants to keep up with his brother, so he goes to get a new tattoo. Excellent work. Now I'll be as cool as my brother. Check it out, Bruce. This is my manly tattoo. Do you like it? Now we are in the same gang. What? Is this real? Wow, you are so gullible. My spider was just a temporary tattoo, and you fell for it. Bruce pranked his naive brother real good. When you're a younger brother, you can't even relax in the shower. What's this? A toilet brush? Bruce! Mom asks us to water the plants. That's boring. But you can always hide in the plants and do your favorite things. Nature, cover me! Sometimes it's dangerous to stay in the wild jungles. The big brother goes on a hunt. He's trimming the plants. Next thing you know, he'll cut off my hair! Phew, Johnny, you scared me. What are you doing in our forest? Come here. This is a perfect place to hide from Mom. I can put on my brother's awesome jacket while he's not paying attention. Ooh, I found a special surprise in the pocket. Not bad. Hold on, where are you going? Oh, this jacket looks familiar. Don't you want to give it back to the owner? Have a nice day, bro. Johnny keeps his side of the room clean. His bed is always made. But Bruce doesn't care about that. Why mess up your bed when you can sit on your little brother's? Chips, Pepsi stains, dirt? That's what Johnny should sleep on. And Bruce's bed will be fine. Why get up to throw things away when your brother's bed is right next to you? What happened to my bed? It's a mess! Johnny finally found a girlfriend. And he also found some trouble. Hey, Curly, come here. What are you doing? Do you know what neighborhood this is? It's great to have a big brother. Who are you attacking, you creep? Get out of here while you can. I'm the only one who's allowed to bully my little brother. When the brothers play Mortal Kombat, the younger brother always wins. He's so talented! Johnny was born to play this game! But Bruce doesn't agree. Fine, you won this round, but you won't beat me in real life! Bruce uses a game trick in reality. Taste my hat, baby bro! Did you like our video about brotherly love? Then comment below if you have a sibling and how you prank each other. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new family pranks from Troom.